guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought for you all a very interesting and yummy recipe. It can be served as a starter or as a snack. When you'll have some small kitty parties or some small parties in your houses, you can prepare this snack which is easy and quick. It is the chicken fingers. So without wasting any much time, let's get started with the recipe. So now for the chicken fingers, here I have taken here 300 grams of boneless chicken. I have cut it into these small pieces. Now I will be putting this into the blender jar and mincing this chicken up. So here is the blender jar, and into this I will be adding all these pieces of chicken, and I'll be mincing this chicken up now on pulse mode. So now here, as you all can see, I have minced the chicken up completely. Now I will be transferring this into this bowl. So all the chicken I have transferred into this big bowl. Now here are 3 slices of bread. I will be dipping this little bit in water and squeezing the water out and crumbling the bread and adding it to this chicken. You have to just wet this bread a little bit and remove all the water, squeeze out all the water, and then add it to this chicken. Now we will just mix this bread which we have crumbled along with this chicken. Now into this we'll be adding some dry powder masalas. So this is half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of tandoori chicken masala powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, salt according to taste. Also I will be adding a small green chili finely chopped and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander. So now we will give this all a nice mix. And now we will leave this for 1 hour so that all the masalas get mixed up with the chicken and the bread and everything get combined very well. So now we will leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll get back to you all. So now here I have removed the mash. So we will just knead it for 2 minutes. That's it. I have taken here some freshly ground breadcrumbs and we will be kneading an egg. So now we will crack this egg into this bowl. We'll add a pinch of salt. and we'll just whisk it a little bit. Whisk it nicely. That's it. Now we will just grease our hands a little bit with oil, and we'll take a portion from this mash. Just roll it into our thin cylinder, not very too thin, not very thin cylinder. Here, just press the sides and in the middle and just make it a little bit flat. Then we will dip it into this egg, and then we will roll it into this breadcrumbs. And in the same way now I'll do the rest of it. So now here the chicken fingers are ready. Now it's ready to fry them. So for that I have kept some oil in a kadai for frying of the chicken fingers, and you have to keep the flame on low to medium. Don't keep it very high, otherwise they'll get burnt. Now the oil is nice and hot, so I'll just put all this one by one into the kadai. This is a very easy and a quick snack recipe, so do give this a try, guys. As you all can see, they have got a nice golden crust on top and they are ready. So I'll just take them off. So now here the chicken fingers are ready. So we will now first plate it out. So we can serve it with some tomato ketchup or some green chutney or some dip which is of mayo or mayo and tomato ketchup mixed together. So now here the delicious looking chicken fingers are ready. It's looking very delicious and yummy. So guys, hope so you all have liked this recipe of mine, and if so, please do give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. Also please subscribe to this family of ours, and also press the bell notification so that you all get notified each time I post a new video. Also press the like button and share this recipe with your family, friends, relatives. I will see you all in my next video with another interesting and yummy recipe. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.